Jamaican woman jailed for 3 years over bogus US debt relief scheme. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The United States Department of Justice says that a 37-year-old Jamaican female who tricked Americans into applying for a bogus debt relief has been sentenced to 3 years in prison. The woman, identified as Sharika Severio, is a resident of Montego Bay in St. James. Ms. Severio pleaded guilty on April 16 to one count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud affecting a financial institution. She has also been ordered to pay restitutions to the victims. The U.S. Department of Justice issued a statement on Friday morning saying that Severio created a series of fraudulent debt relief companies. It says the companies target debt-ridden Americans. The companies trick victims into paying fraudulent processing fees and disclosing sensitive personal information from at least June 2016 through to September 2018. One of the fraudulent websites said that customers could receive up to $60,000 in government-funded aid to pay their bills. Another claimed that customers could receive $24,000 in annual debt relief. Severio admitted through her fraudulent representation that she and her co-conspirator tried to defraud U.S. victims out of $550,000. More than 50 individuals sent money to the conspirators because of the scheme. Most commonly used Western Union, believing that the funds were service processing fees. The U.S. Justice Department says, thinking that they would receive government-funded debt relief, victims elderly sent their sensitive personal and financial information and paid exorbitant processing fees. These processing fees were approximately 14% of the requested debt relief. The Justice Department says the nature of the schemes caused many victims to be victimized multiple times. The conspirators also used the victims' personal information for other illegal processes. In one instance, a victim's personal information was used to create a PayPal account for use in the scheme. The information was also used to apply and obtain an American Express prepaid credit card. Her conduct directly violated a prior judicial order in September 2015 that, among other things, permanently restrained her from those working with her for misrepresenting others that they would subsequently reduce customers' debt. Severio was indicted by a federal grand jury in December 2021, arrested in Jamaica in July 2023, and extradited to the United States in September 2023. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.